Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Duolingo app icon. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how to do this. So there's one that if you're a Streak Society member, so tap your profile icon, select the Streak Society badge and scroll to find available icons, and then simply choose and apply your desired icon. But another way is to use another application called X Icon Changer. So go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for X Icon Changer, and then go ahead and download this one here. It's got over 10 million downloads and close to 600,000 reviews. Now once you've done that, go ahead and open it up. You might appear ads, so just click through the ads. Alright, so once you're inside of here, just it will say please choose an app. So I'm going to type in Duolingo, like so. Then from here we can go ahead and change the icon, so we can use photos from our library, or we can choose a photo. We can take a photo to change it, or choose one from our gallery. If you don't have any Duolingo photos you want to use, just do a Google search, and then just type in Duolingo app icon, just scroll through all the different ones. Now say if I want to use this one here or this one here, I'm going to click onto this site. I'm just going to simply open it up, and then I'm going to save this to my gallery. So I'm going to download the image to my phone. I'm going to go back to X Icon Changer, and then I'm going to choose that image I've just saved to my gallery. So here it is here. So I'm going to choose that one, and now we can edit it if we like inside of here. We can even change the name if we like. Now once you're happy with it, go ahead and click on OK, and then it will say changing the new icon. Another app will appear, just click out of it. So this app is 100% free. You're just going to get a few annoying ads, that's all. Alright, then I'll say add to home screen, touch and hold an icon, or tap add it to the home screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add. Then it says here the new shortcut icon has been added to the desktop. So here it is here. So if I click and hold it down, if I go ahead and open it up, it's going to open up my Duolingo.